If you want to convert your Facebook friends into followers, then you are in the right video. So to convert your Facebook friends into followers, first open your Facebook. Now if I click on my profile, see this is my profile and so here is 1K friends, right? And now I'm gonna convert my 1K friends into followers live in front of you. First click on the profile icon in the middle at the top side. And now in the middle section here is a three dot icon, just click there. Now scroll down a little bit. First you should turn on this professional mode. And now if you click on turn on, the professional mode will be turned on your profile. As soon as the professional mode will be turned on, your profile will be converted into a face, and all the features and facilities available in the page will be available on your profile too. So now click on turn on. No need to do anything here, just go wait. And now if I refresh the page, see what happens. Now see, my 1K friends have turned into followers, right? So this is how you can convert your friends into followers just by turning on the professional mode on your Facebook profile. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more of these kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel.